How to turn off safe search on YouTube first. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. If you're on a computer, simply go to youtube.com. To begin, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your account, look at the top right and tap the gear icon to access settings. Next, select General at the top of the list. Here, you'll see an option called Restricted Mode. This setting helps filter out potentially mature content from videos, searches, and even comments. To disable it, simply toggle Restricted Mode off, and that should do the trick. However, if you've turned it off but Safe Search is still active, or you're unable to disable it, the issue might be with your Google account's birth date. If your account is set to an underage birth date, YouTube will keep Restricted Mode on. To check this, go back to the Google settings, then tap on Google account when it pops up. From there, select Personal Info, scroll down, and find Birthday. Tap on it to review your current birth date, and if it's incorrect, update it to reflect your actual age. That should solve the problem. Hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks, everyone.